Hey there, makers! Ready to unleash the full potential of your ASCAND 3D capture setup? In this quick and easy guide, we'll walk you through the final calibration process to make your scans even more awesome. Why Calibrate? Your ASCAND 3D capture kit is pre-calibrated for a standard phone setup, but doing a personal calibration can give you that extra edge in performance tailored to your unique setup. Let's get started. Grab the calibration card holder from your kit and snap it together. Place the calibration card into the holder with the words "lower side" centered. Make sure it's perfectly horizontal. Put the card at the back of the turntable and focus your camera on it. Move the card holder to the front so both sides touch the sleeve ring. Ensure the entire card is visible in your camera's view with a bit of space on either side. Set the turntable to the slowest speed by touching the middle button 3 times. Make sure the laser is not switched on and shoot a 75-second video. Head to your ASCAND account, go to your profile page, select your phone, and upload the video to the calibration section. The calibration might take a bit of time, but no worries. Your profile section will notify you once it's done. You can continue with your day, and the results will be ready when you are. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy enhanced scanning with your finely tuned ASCAND 3D capture setup. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep making awesome things.